Hello guys, I've been recently working on a very cool project called the Ultimate Roller Shader. The point was to create an all-in-one shader that can be put on any kind of roller surface. I wanted to create a video earlier onto development, but I also wanted to have something already working, so the version you see in this video is very close to the final release. I will show a demonstration clip I rendered with only 50 samples using the Intel denoiser and some compositing tricks. If you want me to make a video on how to optimize rendering for elevation and save render time, make sure to say it in the comment section. Okay, so here it is. The shader is set on ocean water. There are 5 types in total: pool water, dirty water, lake water, ocean and tropical. All have different node setups for maximum realism. At this point I'm not satisfied with the lake water, so I will tune it more, and the ocean one needs some adjustments too. Even though I turned off caustics in rendering, it still reflects nicely on the board, as you might see. The animation will be pre-made, ready to use, and will be easy to change when this comes out. These are actually 3D waves. I don't know if you see it. The shader will have the option to have both 3D and 2D waves, and because I'm using a generated displacement map for this, you will be able to dynamically change or even animate the size of the waves. Because of this, the pattern will be random, so you won't see any repeating tiles or weird things you will see using pre-made normal maps or displacement maps. The animation speed will be adjustable too, just like the size. The size will be adjusted using the UV map or the default plane. This will shift with or any plane you put this on. The animation speed will be very easy to change by dragging the keyframes. I plan to give it 1000 frames of animation length, so it will work with longer animations too. As I said previously, you can put this on any plane. But the cool thing is that you really don't need to use volumetric for the depth, which will slow down the render time. The shader I'm working on looks very good from all angles without additional volume shaders. It has a translucent look from different angles, just like a volume scatter shader would look like. So basically how real life looks like. Okay, so this was a quick demonstration of my new complex shader that I'm working on. I hope you like it and I can't wait to release it. This is the first and probably last development update video because, as I said, it's not far from release. At this point I'm mainly testing the Ultimate Roller Shader in different conditions and will be adding some new options that people can change. See you guys, CG Crafted out.